Cabin crew prepare for landing, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney's Kingsford Smith International Airport, where the local time is approaching 7:20 in the morning and the temperature is 21 degrees centigrade or 74 degrees Fahrenheit. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. For those of you who would like to use your mobile phone, it is now safe to do so. We are pleased to inform you of our lounge facility in the airport terminal. If you are a First, Business or a Skywards Gold customer, we hope you have the opportunity of enjoying its facilities when you are next departing on an Emirates flight. The lounge is located on the arrivals level next to the transit security facility.